this video, we cover the following topics. In this video, 7 novel formats of watercolor paint are introduced. Watercolor markers. Watercolor crayons. Watercolor pencils. Liquid watercolor. Shimmering watercolors. Gansai Tambi. Opaque watercolor. Looking to transform your watercolor skills? Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor, is packed with essential techniques, interactive lessons, a free guide, and over 200 videos to inspire and teach you. It's the perfect resource to make watercolor approachable, fun, and rewarding. If you're ready to take your watercolor skills to the next level, you can find links to purchase Comprehensive Watercolor in the description below. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide covers virtually all the gear a watercolorist needs to begin a lifelong journey of watercolor painting and includes recommendations for gear like equipment, materials, supplies, tools, mixed media, and more. This free guide accompanies the book Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.